Good morning, happy Monday, and welcome back, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders. Now, guys, we got it nice and vibing up in here. I ain't even gonna lie, it feels like we in a Mercedes-Benz A220, which is the next car that we're gonna get this year, guys. Guaranteed. So we have a couple goals this year. We have a couple goals. One being, plan on buying a ring this year. Proposing. Been over 5 years since I've been with this lady. Mercedes A220 2019. That's a dream car. Look it up. Look up on YouTube the interior and payouts. $10,000 payouts every single month. Guys, if you guys are new to this channel, my name's Project. I day trade, I trade futures, I trade options market. And today, guys, in this video, we got our charts open. We're gonna trade futures. We're gonna trade options if we see any option setup, but mostly we're gonna trade futures. Now, one thing is, guys, I did not know this, but if you don't keep your subscription in Top Step X and you don't pass within a month, you lose an account. I canceled all my subscriptions, didn't pass within a month, but I only lost one account. So now we only have 3 evaluation accounts that we're gonna be trading today. Lost one of them, is what it is. So what that means is we're gonna do 2 times the speed. So instead of trading 1 to 2 micros, we might trade like 3 to 4, potentially. We're gonna see what the market gives us today. We're gonna even go live in a Discord. I'm gonna ask people if they wanna go live today, guys. And if you guys wanna go live today, click the link in the bio, join the Projects Academy, go live in the Discord, live in one-on-one, whatever you need help with. Plus, there is step-by-step courses on how to trade with risk management, with the proper trade strategy if you don't already have one. Or if you have one, use the risk management in your favor to learn how to trade your setup properly. So all that being said, guys, it is currently 6:20 a.m. So market opens up dummy early for me. That's why I have coffee real early in the morning. Also, 1 month in of January, I need to work out. I need to get back into the gym. I need to start lifting weights again. So guess what? Every few minutes, we're gonna do some push-ups. I got my weights next to me. We're gonna lift some weights. Probably not gonna add it, but I just wanna let you guys know that. We're gonna get right back into it. We need to look good. So this is my idea and this is my plan for today on the market. As you guys can see, it's kind of just in a choppy ass area. It's not really much else you can do in this area to be too confident as far as, you know, there's no breakouts essentially. There's no full on continuation of trend. It's kind of just in this choppy general area. Of course, we are in a downtrend since last week, so that could easily be the trend that we can follow this week. But guys, we're just going to be cautious, careful today. We're entering this area where it looks like chop. So that being said, the market's going to open in a few minutes. I'm going to go live in the Discord, ask the members if they want to go live, and if they don't, or if nobody does, I'm gonna go live on TikTok or YouTube or whatever. Just want to have some fun, chow it up with some people, listen to some good music, and just, yeah, let's trade today. Let's see how much money we can make. Guys, we're gonna be very cautious today. So we have yet to take a trade. Forgot to even mention, which I'll probably even add the clip right here, but I want to show you guys, this is our P&L from last month right here. We did take that loss on Friday, and this is our P&L for Friday. Forgot to post it, also forgot to even share it, and also forgot to let you guys know what had happened. So we had reset it of an account, and here we are trading it. And guys, we did not take any trades just yet. Now, market did break out here on the 1 hour. And on the 5 minutes, what that looks like is like this. On 5 minutes, it looks like a breakout, and then here was a retest candle. But honestly, I definitely would have not entered there due to just the way the candle looks like a two-year top, and it ended up actually rocketing. So guys, that is a nice break and retest. Somebody is actually in this trade. Hopefully, he's still holding it. If he is definitely printing on this Express. And so far, guys, we're just watching it on also options here. As you guys can see, this is my option chart here. And same thing, it also reflects on MES or also on SPY. But I don't think we're gonna trade anything, guys, today. We'll see what we do. And we've been live for we've been live for 50 minutes, guys. 50 minutes, man. If you guys want to tap on in, join the freaking Discord ASAP. Now, one thing is I'm trying to lock in this month. So last month, not really much went down other than a $5,000 payout within the first 5 days of January, which was from December. So pretty much I was just waiting for January, so I have to report it on my taxes, so I can report it later. But with that being said, guys, this February, we're trying to lock in. Now, I'm not trying to compare myself to what I see online, but of course, it is so possible. Nothing is different than what these people are compared to what we are here. And what I mean by that is, yes, these traders are making thousands of dollars a day, but there's nothing different than what we can do as well. It's the same thing. We're seeing the same charts for the same hours in a day. We're waking up, watching the same thing. All it is execution and risk management. Even though we need to take a trade today, which is kind of planned, we even posted in the trade ideas tab saying we're most likely just going to watch price action, Guys, honestly, ideally, this whole month, we want to lock the hell in and get some crazy ass gains going. Not only on our Lucids accounts, but also on our Top Step accounts. Because imagine having 3 Lucid accounts. My freaking camera died. 3 Lucid accounts, 3 times the payouts. Same thing with Top Step. So we just freaking lost an account by not keeping the subscription, but same thing with Top Step, guys. What we plan to do is this: max allocation, which apparently that just means grab 5 funded accounts, which is max. So max allocation is whatever it's called. 5 funded accounts, 5 times the payouts. Even if it's $1,000, 5 times the payout, that's $5,000. Even 3 accounts. Either way, guys, that's what we plan to shoot. So this February is our whole goal, is just to get max allocation. Max allocation added to the belt, so that when we get payouts, it's 5 times on Top Step, it's 3 times on Lucid. Of course, I'll get max allocation on there too, but we're gonna start this year sooner than later. January was a slow month, only added Lucid accounts to our funded belts, but no Top Step accounts. That is our goal. So let's run it up this February, guys. See you guys on the next one.